Welcome back, friends. Yesterday's assignment was to circle the roots and underline suffixes in your 6 words. So your page should look something like this. I've circled the roots and I've underlined the suffixes. You'll see that some words have multiple suffixes, and that's how words are built, with roots and word parts like suffixes. If you're wondering what the part of speech is for a word, though, we don't have to look at both suffixes. We only look at the one at the very end of the word to decide what that part of speech is for that particular word. So let's take a look at these words and what you marked for their parts of speech, and you can make any changes that you need to. Auxesis has the suffix esis, like photosynthesis. Remember, it's an action or process, so it's a noun. The word auction and augmentation both end with ion, so they are both nouns. The word auctioneer ends with EER, which means one who, like the word overseer, so it is also a noun. And finally, the word augmentative, its very last suffix is ative, like creative, so we know that it's an adjective. The next thing we'll take a look at is the definitions that are shown here. And we want to identify what type of word is being defined by each one of these definitions. So let's take a look at those together and add these notes to your page. One who conducts the sale of goods at a public auction. They mean one as in anyone. And since we're talking about a person, that definition is defining a noun. An addition, or the process of increasing. Notice we have these articles here, an addition and the process. That definition is also defining a noun. Causing an increase or related to increase. We're talking about a describing word. To make greater starts with that helping word to. It lets us know that that's the infinitive form of the verb, like to jump, to run, to play. So that definition is for a verb. This definition, an increase of cell size without cell division. That's a very specific kind of word. You're probably not going to get that into very many conversations, but that is defining a noun. It is an increase. And finally, a public sale of property to the highest bidder. A sale, that is a thing, so that definition is defining a noun. So take a look at these parts of speech, the parts of speech here, to see what type of word each definition is defining, and see if you can match up these words with their definitions. At the end of the Edpuzzle, I'll ask for you to include the letters listed in the order that you place them on this page. I look forward to seeing your work, friends.